Hi, this is Rachel with Razzle Crafts, and I am taking another look at my Woodland Nature Journal, and I apologize, I was not completely in frame for the last one, so I have my eyes on that this time. So I think I might raise up a little bit more. That's about the best I can do. Okay, so this was my first page, and I'm pretty happy about that. This, I need to finish that tag, but I'm not feeling that right now. I really like this page, and it feels pretty finished. This is a little weak. I might need to go back. I might need to put something under there. But I love this page. I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see all these. Little postcard, timesheet. Put a little tab here. This is a little like journaling, hidden journaling pocket thing. I have a belly band there. It's not decorated yet. A fabric flip or tip in. Okay. That one's blank. Let's see. I made some more things to put in. And so I'm looking where we need something the most. Oh, I should probably cover the back of that. This is a double pocket. Okay, well, I can cover the back of it after the fact. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know if I like that there. This needs a little more glue. Let's put a little glue. I think I used hot glue and that didn't dry all the way right here. I apologize. Let's see. And I'm running out of tacky glue, so I have to get some more. Let's see. I think I like this one. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna take a while to dry. That could go there, but I don't know. Okay, let's try some of the other pages that need something first, because I have some empty. This one's like all mushrooms. This is one of my favorites right here. Do it a little closer. There we go. This needs a pocket or something. That doesn't go that well. Let's see. Oh, this one needs. You are a pocket. That might not be the best one for there. This is really cute. And then it can use another little tag right there. Like this would be really cute. A little paper flip. I like that. This could go in here. Okay. So I might need this somewhere else where I have nothing. I need a little tag. I need to make some more tags. So that needs a tag. This has a tag. Really love how I put like the blackberry vines. Yeah. And oh yeah, I really liked how this blue went with this green. It was just like, oh, let me try it. So I just tried it over here, like to see what it looked like, and then I really liked it. So then I made that for that side. This one has nothing. So this would be really cute with paper clip. I'm sure I have some covered paper clips in my things, but for the moment, what are all the nice ones? I don't know. Okay, well, for the moment, I am going to use this one until I get a fancier one. Okay, that can be on that page. Oops, that was a needle. Ooh, that looks nice right there. This is a little writing spot. That's pretty. This is a pocket too that I made. I guess I can put this on the edge and then I can put stuff behind it too. My favorite things. Little tuck behind. You can fit all sorts of things. I love to put like pictures and stuff in my journals. I don't know about you guys, but I do. Like to add pictures that I've taken, print them off my phone. Even sometimes like text messages, right, to remember. Let's see. I made this one yesterday. That really pretty. Writing spot. That would look really nice on here. So it needs a good paper clip. But for now, we have this one. Be cute. Do something for over here. Oh, this would be cute. Or is that too yellow? Might be too yellow. Well, that pulls that red and this red. This needs to be clipped, or it needs a little pocket. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to come back to that. So here is, sorry. So here's this. Okay, this wax seal. Here, stay. Okay, so this one, this guy would probably work pretty well on this page. I need to decorate down here, and even this envelope that I covered. That would be really pretty with Thumper. Cute little bunny. I need to put something on that. Oh, this was, I guess it, I was going to use this as a belly band. Yeah, it wouldn't go with the squirrel. Okay. That's finished. That's mostly finished. I might add some labels on there, but I liked the pictures a lot. Oh, this would be really pretty on this page. Let's see, what other pages? Oh, it would be really pretty on that page. Ooh, it would even be pretty on that page. I think we should put on this page because this one is going to be a little harder to match things. Oh, this one's not open. That one's all plugged up. Okay, this is the one I'm working with. Keep forgetting to put it back on the upside down. There we go. Okay. And I'm getting so close to being done with it. This journal has gotten so fat. So fat. So today's my youngest birthday. He turns 19. Everybody has to work today. So tomorrow night, his sister will be available. Oh, okay, no, I didn't put anything back there. So we will, so I need another, we're gonna go to sushi. Sorry, my brain is like all over the place. I don't know if I can get on that one, not with the mushrooms. More empty. I think there should be an empty red page in here somewhere. Oh, there's this empty page. There was an empty red one somewhere. Oh, somebody's trying to wake up early. This is why I have such a hard time filming. Okay, let's see if we can find the empty red page. There should be an empty one. I know there was an empty one. I hadn't put anything on yet. It was back here. Aha! There it is. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That should go here. I think I want to do a little bit of this so we know that that is a pocket. There we go. And not that one. That's going to show stuff. Yeah, I think that's going to be really pretty. Yes, on this side. Okay, so this, take the lid off. Okay, you're not supposed to be way over there. Yeah, so, my youngest, Max, he, also had, like, a spooky Halloween party last Saturday, so that was kind of a little bit of the birthday thing as well. Like he did majority of the work. He asked if he could do that. He loves Halloween. His birthday's close to Halloween, so he's always been liking to include that in his birthday. So that's been the fun things going on around here. Let's see. I think this just needs... I'm trying to remember if I was just gonna glue this. That one, it looks really pretty on both. But you know what? I think I like it here. It just looks so pretty. And let's put it on this side. Let's put it on that side. So it would be... Wait a minute. Oh, okay. I'm like, wait a minute. Where's the pocket? There's a pocket. Oh, let's go ahead and do this so we know that is a pocket at the top as well. Okay, so this side. It helps if I take the glue lid off. Okay. I've just been busy doing life, trying to keep up on all my lesson plans and planning the kids' Halloween party. And we're gonna have a really big Halloween party this year, and I actually have it pretty well planned. I have games and prizes, and gonna have some fun Halloween mummy dogs and just do some fun things and just make it exciting and fun for the kids. So that's that purpose of that. You just need a tag. Where can we put you? That has to dry. All right. This, let's see, this is a tag I made. It was one of those pictures that I really liked. I think it was the Mickey Golden book, Into the Woods. Let's see. I mean, it works, but it's not my favorite on that page. Is that a tuck? It is a tuck, but That one's not tough. And I could put it there. Actually, looks kind of cute on this one. I think. Oh, that has lots. We need some special ones for that. And we need a pocket for this, or a tuck or something. And this one, and the mushroom one, and some tags. Ooh, and I still have this little bee. This little fabric, paper flippy tag. So this is nearly finished. I don't know if I should recover this. I took off something here and it's left this gluey bit. Probably need to just redo it, because that's not that great. So yeah, these are the little I took some of the pages that I really liked, but wasn't able to use, but it's still cute. For a writing space, thought that would be fun. You can still kind of see some of it. Let's get that in there. All right, so that is a better look at my Woodland Nature Journal. And some of the little extras. I actually made a lot of things yesterday during my break times. I was quite happy with myself. Of course, I still need to do a little bit more decorating, but I'm very close to being finished. And I think I need to figure out, this is not necessarily the cover because I got stuff all over it. So I'll have to figure out how I'm covering it, and closure, because this thing has gotten really fat. Oh my goodness, it's gotten so fat. But yeah, look at that, full of yummy goodness. My goodness. Okay, so thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up, please, and leave a comment down below what you liked. So sorry that you couldn't see all of it in the last video. Yeah, so have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.